All right, welcome to this explainer. I am so pumped you're here today. Look, if you've spent, literally any time on social media lately, you've probably been absolutely flooded with claims about AI revolutionizing algorithmic trading. Well, today, we're going to cut right through all that noise. I want you to think of me as your lead developer and consider this your technical onboarding session. We're going to walk step by step through the actual process of building a functional 5-minute scalping bot using Claude Code. We're focusing on best practices, real architecture, and totally actionable steps. So, welcome to the team. Okay, let's dive right into this. 23,300 bucks. That right there is the 90-day profit figure achieved by the exact trading bot we're breaking down today. Now, seeing a number like that might make you want to, instantly quit your day job. But let's dial it right back to reality for a second. As any senior dev will tell you, getting results like this, it isn't magic. No way. It requires proper system architecture, rigorous backtesting, super strict risk management, and honestly just a whole lot of hard work. We are not here for shortcuts today. We are here to understand the actual engineering behind the success. So here's our roadmap for today. First, we'll tackle the AI trading myth. Then we'll look at the time series advantage. Third is project setup and environment. Fourth, building with Claude Code. And finally, backtesting and position sizing. Don't worry, we're going to break this whole complex technical blueprint down into super manageable, logical chunks. All right, starting us off, section 1, the AI trading myth. Let's start with the absolute biggest hurdle out there right now. We really need to call out the flood of fake, automated ChatGPT screenshots going around. You know the ones. Most of these bots heavily promoted on platforms like Twitter are exactly this. They're just chatbots holding calculators. Seriously. Scammers are basically just wrapping standard language models into a fake dashboard to show these massive, totally fabricated wallet balances that have literally zero actual utility for financial markets. So mentor rule number 1, do not trust a pretty dashboard if you don't understand the engine running underneath it. I absolutely love this quote from our source material. Asking an LLM to predict a Bitcoin is like asking a poet to solve a physics equation. I mean, hit the nail on the head, right? It might give you this beautiful, incredibly articulate answer, but it's going to be completely mathematically wrong. Standard language models are designed to predict the next word in a sentence based on text patterns. They are simply not built to predict the highly volatile, complex mathematical movements of financial markets. Which brings us to section 2, the time series advantage. And this brilliantly illustrates the massive architectural shift required to actually make automated trading work on platforms like Polymarket. Think about it. Standard LLMs predict the next word, but time series models, they predict the next number. The architectural benefit here is just immense. Time series models are built on the exact same AI math used to forecast the weather, or traffic patterns, or climate change. They parse historical numerical sequences to find real statistical probabilities, which makes them absolutely the right tool for a financial chart. So, for this specific project build, our engine of choice is Cronos AI. And as your lead dev, I highly, highly recommend this for your stack. Why? Well, it's open source, it's been explicitly trained on financial data, and best of all, it's incredibly accessible. You don't need some massive, expensive server farm to run this thing. The base model runs locally without a hitch on standard hardware, like a regular Mac Mini or a MacBook Pro is all you really need. Okay, moving right along to section 3, project setup and environment. Now that we understand the right architecture, let's actually set up your local machine. You absolutely need these specific files for the initial project build. First, you need the Kronos GitHub repository for your production engine. Second, a standalone HTML dashboard design. Third, a Python and Claude working environment installed. And finally, the whole shebang, your full setup workbook containing your prompts and API connections. Go ahead and get these organized first because, as we all know, a clean workspace makes for clean code. Next up, section 4, building with Claude Code. All right, this is the specific workflow we use to construct our interface. The true beauty of Claude Code is that it does all the heavy lifting for you, if and only if you give it clear instructions. It's really just a simple 3-step process. Step 1, download that standalone HTML design file. Step 2, navigate to a brand new folder and open up your Claude Code terminal. And step 3, upload the HTML into Claude, copy your setup workbook, and paste it right in there with your prompt. You're basically handing the AI the blueprint, the design, and the raw materials all at the exact same time. And speaking of that prompt, here's a fantastic snippet from the source that we use to trigger Claude to connect the dashboard to the Kronos database. Remember that you are a top 0.1% developer and your objective is to blow my socks off.
I know, it's a little playful, but it's a super direct instruction style. It completely sets a high-quality threshold for the AI's output before you ever even hit execute.
All right, let's get into section 5, backtesting and position sizing.
Okay, so once Claude builds the dashboard and connects the API, you aren't done. Nope. As any good mentor will tell you, you literally never trade a strategy live until you have mathematically verified it through backtesting. A naked AI prediction just isn't enough. You need technical gatekeepers. We use HER bands to measure volatility, right? That ensures we only take trades when the price movement actually covers our fees. Then we use the ADX indicator to measure trend strength, which keeps us the heck out of sideways, choppy markets. And when comparing the two in our backtesting, well, while the ATR definitely protected our profit margins per trade, the ADX was the real hero here. It had a massive impact on reducing false entries overall.
Next up, we absolutely have to talk about position sizing. Look, even with a verified 3% trading edge, if you're just betting randomly, you are going to lose, for sure. So our bot uses two specific systems. The Kelly ratio is a mathematical formula for sizing your bets based purely on your probability edge, meaning you bet more on high probability trades and less on the low ones. Pretty logical. Then there's the martingale system, which involves doubling your position size after a loss to recoup funds quickly. Now, a quick aside, martingale is generally considered highly risky, but combining it really carefully with the Kelly ratio, it yielded some totally surprising results.
Now, what's really interesting about this data is the massive data-driven impact of combining these risk management strategies. Just using the Kelly ratio by itself resulted in a very respectable $12,300 over 3 months. But when we layered that martingale system on top of the Kelly ratio, the profit literally skyrocketed to $23,300. That is a real game changer. It just perfectly highlights why position sizing is absolutely just as important as the prediction itself.
To actually verify these numbers yourself, your backtesting workflow is going to look a bit like this. You run a command in your Claude Code terminal to pull 3 months of Polymarket API data, and then you just let your local Kronos engine simulate trades against those historical trends. Now, I want to set some realistic expectations here. This will take your machine about an hour to chew through. For our specific strategy, the bot ran through 200,000 trials and placed 15,000 simulated bets just to ensure super strict statistical significance. So be patient, grab a coffee, and let the computer do the math. All right, once your core system is verified and ready to rock, you can start customizing your dashboard charts. Because we built this whole thing in Claude Code, you literally use natural language to upgrade your interface. It's wild. You just tell the AI, hey, display real-time profit and loss metrics on my chart, or, build in copy trading features. You can even set up on-chain alerts for when large smart money wallets take positions. And the craziest part? You execute all of this without manually writing a single line of front-end code yourself. So we've covered the architecture, the setup, the filters, and the rigorous backtesting required to build a real AI scalping bot. We've gone through the whole shebang. So I'm going to leave you with this final thought. If a time series AI can be fine-tuned to perfectly predict the next number in a sequence with a verified mathematical edge, what market will you attempt to conquer first? Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. Now go set up your environment and let's start building.